Hello guys, it's me again, back with another video. So today I want to be talking about the Infinix Hot 9, the specs of the Hot 9, and what to expect from the Infinix Hot 9, because the Infinix Hot 9 isn't out everywhere right now. And I know some of you must have heard of the company Infinix. They make smartphones, and I just want to talk about the Hot 9 today. And some videos about the Hot 9 have already been out. You can watch those too, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos, and click on the bell as well. Okay, so starting off with the specs of the phone, we get a MediaTek Helio A25, unlike on the previous entry of the phone, the Infinix Hot 8, where we get a MediaTek Helio A22. You also get either 2 gigs, 3 gigs or 4 gigabytes of RAM depending on the variant of the Hot 9 phone which you get, as well as the 32, 64 and 128 gigabytes of RAM. The display of the Hot 9 phone is a 6.6 IPS LCD display, which they call the Infinity O display, which is an HD plus display according to the Infinix website. It also has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels with 266 pixels per inch, which is the same as the Infinix Hot 8. For the camera setup of the phone, we have a quad camera setup with a 13 megapixel wide camera, a 2 megapixel macro lens, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a QVGA low light sensor. The front camera has a punch hole display camera and an 8 megapixel wide camera, just like the Hot 8 phone, and both the front and the back camera of the phone can shoot a maximum of 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the phone battery is a 5000 mAh battery, just like the Infinix Hot 8. Now for the hardware of the phone. The Infinix Hot 9 houses a dual nano SIM card slot with a memory card slot attached to it as well, and a micro USB 2.0 port, and also houses a rear fingerprint sensor and supports face unlock. The dimensions of the phone are 165.4mm in height, 76.8mm in width, 8.8mm thick, and weighs up to 185 grams, making this phone slightly taller, wider, thicker, and heavier than the Infinix Hot 8 phone. The Infinix Hot 9 runs on Android 10 and is running on Infinix's latest XOS 6.0 Dolphin, and the phone also has a dark mode feature. The phone comes in 4 different colors, which are Midnight Black, Cold Soul Cyan, Violet, and Ocean Wave. The price of the phone is around $100 which is similarly priced as the Hot 8 phone at the time of its release. Now the question is, what are my opinions on the Hot 8 device? Well, basically both the Infinix Hot 8 and 9 have many similarities, but the Hot 9 is more powerful and has a better design in my opinion. The Hot 9 has Android 10 and XOS 6, whereas the Hot 8 has Android 9 and XOS 5, and spec wise they are the same. What you should expect from the Hot 9 smartphone is a slightly more powerful performance and a better design than its predecessor. That's all for the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more videos. I hope I can get the Hot 9 phone and once it's released in other places soon for a more in-depth review. I hope you all stay safe and peace out.